This is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com doing a training coaching video for everybody. I've been doing this for over 32 years, and I'll tell you what, tactics, strategies, routines can keep you safe, can keep you focused, also keep you out of trouble. I'll give you a classic case right here. This is my ETF list. Is it every ETF in the world? No, but it's the major ones in major industry groups. It can guide you to what's strong, can also guide you to what's weak or what to avoid. And again, these are ETFs, not individual stocks. They're combinations of stocks and ETFs and indexes. So here we go. Here's the Gold Miners Index. Look at this. Gold Miner ETF. Excuse me. You can say, well, boy, that fell on heavy volume, but it came back. That's a nice looking chart. It's a gold miner. What does that tell you? It's a Thursday afternoon. You know what it tells me? Maybe you ought to look at some gold miners. There you go. Here's another one. Gold. Strong. By the way, it's been strong. Do this. You can sit there and slide it back a couple of days and say, dang, that don't look too bad. It should be on your list. Not just GLD, but more importantly, the gold miners and the gold stocks. Biotech, loose down here, okay? Really nothing to do with it. Be careful with biotech, always. If you do anything, you might want to do IBB or something like that. Be careful with individual biotechnologies. One blow up can wreck you financially and emotionally. IGV, tech, felt fairly hard. Look at this volume on this sell bar. That ain't mom and dad selling, that's serious. Going down here, got to be careful with it. Still above the rising 50, but be aware of it. Oil services, OIH. Oh yeah, I think I'm going to look at some oil services stock. This looks awful. Folks, slide it back. Heck, it looked bad there too. I'll just play it out. You say, hey, it's really not doing. It's starting to pick up a little bit. I don't know. It's starting to lift up, but that's an ugly bar. Ain't nothing there. Don't. It's below a falling 200-day. Stay away. Here's the Qs. NASDAQ 100 was grinding up. Now you've got a couple of volume bars to the downside. Steel. You going to look at steel stocks right now? Nah. Semiconductors have been in a good trend. Fell the last couple of days on volume. Maybe they're going to lose their leadership. Just something to be aware of. Here's the leveraged one, okay? Down also. Look at this. Solar stocks. Take it back a couple of days. Say, well, it ain't looking too bad. I'll tell you what, the market's kind of been flopping around, man. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. What should you do? Maybe look at some solar stocks several days ago, and some of them lifted off today. Small caps. You going to be looking hard at small cap stocks right now? No. Oil. You're going to be, and it's been in a downtrend. Oil. You going to be looking at oil? Don't think so. Home builders was a leadership group starting to get a little loose here. Not that great. Basic materials still hanging in there above the rising 50. Look around and see what you can find. Energy has been in a downtrend. Well, I'm going to be the one that picks the bottom. I can pick the bottom. Oh, come on. We lose the ego. We get in line with what is. Financials, we're good, but look at this bar today. That wasn't mom and dad selling. That ain't Uncle Ernie selling. That's serious. Still above the rising 50-day, but financials. Industrials started to fall down to the 50-day. Look at the volume. Serious selling. Technology's still hanging in there. We closed today, though. Look at that. Runs up and closes a week. What does that tell you? It tells me two things. A, technology's leading. But B, there's been some serious selling. I better be careful with technology. Consumer staples fell on a heavy volume. Be careful. Utilities going sideways. Good day today. Utilities, defensive. See how we connect the dots? Healthcare been rolling down here. Lost the 50-day. You can say, oh, this is a good day today. I want to share something that we teach. It opened right there. It runs up. It closes basically almost where it opens, and it closes in the bottom third of its range on a daily chart in heavy volume. What does that tell you? It was met with selling pressure. Be careful. Consumer discretionary fell on volume down to the 50-day. Metals and mining, yeah, we're really going to be looking hard at those. Retail, yeah, it's on sale. Okay, it's a bad pun, but I had to do it. Software, still hanging in there. Still hanging in here. You can say, oh, that's a green bar. That's a good bar. Folks, this is what we teach at MissionWinners.com. Open, high, low, close. It closed here. Today it gaps up and it runs up and it takes out yesterday's highs. And then it falls and basically closes just pennies above yesterday's close on a big pickup in volume. This bar is not a green buying bar. It's a green distribution selling bar on volume. Anyway, those are the leading ETFs in the major industry groups. It's a great tactic. I wanted to share with you. Here's the list. Take it and run with it. It's something I've had together for, 10, 15 years, some of these. There they are. There they are. It will systematize your search processes and maybe I need to look at some gold stuff like that. But you know what? Certain groups, I better be careful. And there you go.